Let's solve 1/4 of x equals 5. To get rid of the fraction, multiply both sides by 4. 4 times 1/4 of x is equal to 4 times 5. That simplifies to x equals 20. So, the solution is x equals 20. Let's convert 5 3/4 weeks and 6½ hours into minutes. First, remember these conversions. 1 week equals 7 days. 1 day equals 24 hours. And 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So, 5 3/4 weeks is 5.75 weeks. Multiply 5.75 weeks times 7 days times 24 hours times 60 minutes equals 57,960 minutes. Next, 6½ hours is same as 6.5 hours. Multiply 6.5 hours times 60 minutes equals 390 minutes. Add those together and the total time is 57,960 minutes plus 390 minutes, which equals 58,350 minutes. That's the total time in minutes. We're given the fractions 3/4, 5/8, 7/12, and 2/3. Let's arrange them in ascending order. First, find a common multiple. Let's use 24. Now, multiply each fraction by 24 to compare them. 3/4 times 24 is equal to 18. 5/8 times 24 is equal to 15. 7/12 times 24 is equal to 14. 2/3 times 24 is equal to 16. Now compare 14, 15, 16, 18. So, in ascending order, 7/12, 5/8, 2/3, 3/4. Let's convert 11,001 base 2 to base 10. We'll break it down using powers of 2. 11001 in base 2 equals 1 times 2 to the power of 4 plus 1 times 2 cubed plus 0 times 2 squared plus 0 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0. That gives 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. Add them up. 11,001 base 2 is equal to 25 base 10. So, 11,001 base 2 is equal to 25 base 10. Let's express 0.0025 as a fraction. First, write it as power of 4. 0.0025 is equal to 25 divided by 10 to the power of 4, equals 25 over 10,000. Now, simplify the fraction by dividing numerator and denominator by 25. 25 divided by 25 is equal to 1, and 10,000 divided by 25 is equal to 400. So, 0.0025 equals 1 over 400. Let's arrange the fractions 1/4, 5/8, 7/9, and 1/3 in descending order. We will use a common multiple. Let's go with 72. Now, multiply each fraction by 72 to compare. 1/4 times 72 is equal to 18. 5/8 times 72 is equal to 45. 7/9 times 72 is equal to 58. 1/3 times 72 is equal to 24. Now arrange the values. 58, 45, 24, 18. So, in descending order, 7/9, 5/8, 1/3, 1/4.